obviously you're in position. You must just run, get in position. The position of tinting. Then as soon as I take the tinting up, you'll hear it. Then you do, and when I take it down, you just go and line up, facing that direction. Fortune will be that side to take picture. When I take picture, it's like that part of, it's like we're cutting it. You get it most. You do the one, like you do approximately 2 seconds. Like 2 seconds, then, yeah, come on, take it down, man. I'm not even hearing myself. It's going to be then when you hear the music going off, you must just run, then get in that position of this.
Okay.
Then obviously you go ting.
This side I'm facing.
Facing this side. I want to for this. So facing this side.
Okay.
Then you go pa. Then you keep. Then you go down. You go I'm sending my event. I'm sending my event. Then after that, it will go off. Then you do it like you are doing the what's this? The what? But you don't do Babisa. You just be in a file that side. Fortune will take pictures from that side. Again.
But he can't. The light is coming.
They must walk. They must walk.
They must walk.
Which way?
Okay, wait. Then you come. You're gonna take the second part.
Oh, sharp. You'll take them from that side. Okay, when they walk from that side. But like,
Yeah.
Then. Yeah. Oh, wait. That side. Then, when you do this side, when on the grass, you can take them from that side. Then, as they pass, you take the first two. You take first, guys. I want them got to two. Yeah, I want them got to two.
Yeah.
I want them got you too. Yeah. Sharp, are you ready?
Yes, sir.